There's obviously a lot of colour and texture and amazing quilts and stitch. It's just gorgeous here. But there is this beautiful stand with very little colour and the most wonderful use of tonal value. You don't need a lot of colour to make your work sing. Aren't they beautiful? Just give you a close-up. All the lovely textures and applique. So this artist's name is Denise Labadie or Labadie, and this little exhibition is just stunning. It's kind of the calm between all the amazing colours and gorgeous texture, which is all very, very valuable. But I'm afraid I like this best, which will come as no surprise. I'm always a little bit different. But just look at this. Stone arches and what's left of them. And I just adore the use of light. Look at that. Don't you feel as though you can walk into it? Isn't it beautiful? Just remarkable work. So you don't need a lot. You just need to look. Look at the colour. Look at the light. And remember, if you use less colour, you can see the textures. So just look at that. Shame. That's better without chairs in the way, isn't it? This is my favourite piece. It's a twisting staircase of stones. And it is just absolutely stunning. All with a beautiful use of light. The show's starting to hot up now. It's about 8:30, so I better go and start organising for the day. I just wanted to show you all this because this is absolutely beautiful.